Now, how can I control our speed beyond the rated speed? Okay, so let's look at the stages for our controlling our shunt motor. In general, we have two stages. Number one, we have this is omega base, which is the rated speed. From 0 to rated speed, we control it by controlling the terminal voltage. Beyond the rated speed, we use something which we call field weakening. What does it mean? It means that we control field current in order to increase our speed. Okay, so let's understand this. So first, we have our power, supplied power, equal to V terminal I armature, right? This is the power given by our terminal DC supply. So V terminal, let's type it. So here power, V terminal I armature, and V terminal itself is equal to E minus I plus I armature R armature, since we are talking about a motor, multiplied by I armature. And since the voltage drop is small compared to the induced EMF, so what does this even mean? So we can neglect this part. So it will be approximately equal to induced EMF IA, which is our developed power, right? Developed power. Okay, so our developed power is equal to EIA, okay, which is equal to the torque multiplied by omega, right? Okay, so as you can see, power approximately EIA, and the power is equal to torque omega equal to EIA. So let's just delete all of this and keep this part, EIA. Okay, so what do you would like to say? Okay, what I would like to say is that you can see that our power here in this range, this point is rated power. When we supply V terminal rating, give us the maximum rated terminal voltage multiply IA rated. During this period, here we are drawing power with respect to omega. So what we can do, as I increase power, I increase speed, right? As I increase power, I increase speed. Why? Because I'm controlling V terminal. So the power increases by increasing. Remember, this one is V terminal I armature, approximately. So as I increase V terminal, I increase power supplied to the motor, I will increase the speed. So as you can see from here, you can see that as I increase power, you can see this is power, as power increase, the speed increase. Okay, in this region here, we call it V terminal control, because we are controlling our terminal voltage by giving more current using a rectifier, using a potential divider, whatever the method used to change V terminal. We control V terminal, and this will control power. As V terminal increase, again from here, omega will increase, right? So our speed will go up until reaching a certain point. This point is the rated power. I cannot increase beyond it. We have V rated, I rated, at which we will have omega rated, right? So in this point, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to, in order to increase speed beyond the maximum speed, what I'm going to do is that V terminal will be constant, which means power will be constant. Okay, however, at the same time, I'm going to use field weakening. I'm going to reduce our field by increasing RF. By increasing the field resistance, I will reduce the flux, meaning that our speed will start going up, right? So in this range, our speed will go up at a constant power. Why? Because we fixed now V terminal and the armature current. Okay, great. So we fixed the V terminal, so our power is constant. So this is a relation between power and omega. What about our torque? Our torque will change like this. Look carefully here. So our power is constant, right? Our power is constant, or not constant right now. Let's say this. Let's talk about this region first. At this region, at which power increases. So power equal torque omega. So in this region, power increases, leading to increase in omega. Torque itself is constant, nothing changes. That's why torque in this region is constant. Okay, starting from here to here, power constant, power constant, and our speed increases. Our speed increases despite power being constant. So in order to keep this power constant, the torque must go down. That's why the torque at this part starts to go down as the speed increase. So all of this related to the relation between power, torque, and omega. So let's summarize what I just explained. Speed control from 0 to maximum or a base speed is usually obtained by armature voltage control. As I change V terminal, I increase omega, right? And as V terminal increase, power increase, as you can see here. Okay, what about torque? Torque doesn't change, it is constant in this region. Beyond the omega base is obtained by decreasing the field one. That's what's called field weakening. So by reducing flux, omega will increase beyond the maximum speed, okay, or the rated speed. At the same time, since power is constant and we increase omega, then the torque must be reduced like this. So at the base speed, here at this point, the armature terminal voltage is at its rated value. If the current is not to exceed its rated value, speed control beyond the base speed is restricted to a constant power known as the constant power operation, as you can see here. Because if I would like to keep torque constant, I have to increase the current, right, in order to give the same torque, or increase the armature terminal voltage. That's why, since our power is constant, then the torque will decrease with the speed increase in the field weakening region. Okay, you can also think of this as follows. You can think of this as omega increase, torque increase, decrease from this equation.